What's up, guys? So as you guys know, it's still the holiday season. Right, Josh? It's still the holiday season.
Yes, it's still very holiday-ish.
So Christmas has passed, but as you guys know, yesterday we did a video opening all our subscriber mail, all the mail you guys have sent us, all the stuff that we had under our Christmas tree right here. But there's one more thing that we didn't open, and that is this pile of boxes right here. But I've been saving these things for last. I've been dying to open them up on camera. So, as you guys have probably noticed, the cherry hatch has been on jack stands for a couple days now. You might have saw in the background. There's no wheels on this thing, none at all. So, you guys, you know these things, shiny, pretty, badass, fancy, hot boy, whatever. But it just didn't have the right look that I wanted. They were a little too flashy for the car, and I decided that I really wanted a one-piece wheel. I feel like that's one-piece wheels are kind of in style right now, I'm not gonna lie. Right, Josh?
Yeah, one-pieces are classic.
They're classic. So, of course, I hit up my good friend Brian down at Kansai, and he suggested something, and I think I'm in love with these wheels. I think they're gonna be the perfect fit for the cherry hatch. Check these things out. Boom! These things are gorgeous. Oh, as I drop the camera. What do you think, Josh?
Woo-wee.
Not bad, right?
Fuego fue.
So these are Kansai's KMP. They just came out with 17-inch wheels a few months ago. So these are still fresh. So they now make the KMP in 17, and I knew I needed it. Look how good this thing is. We got the Hyper Silver face, which OEM like silver, Hyper Silver is like my favorite finish ever. And with a polished lip, it just makes it look that much fancy. And as you guys know, I love my Kansai wheels. I had them on my coupe last season, and just the quality of the wheel, the designs and everything, and just the brand itself I love. So I'm really excited to be rocking these on the cherry hatch. So let's see how these things fit. Ooh, 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 look at the front fitment. Check this out, check this out. A little aggressive because we still got the spacer on, but these things are 17x9 plus 22. Like the best stock body specs ever. Probably for a lot of cars, but for 240s, it's perfect. It looks so good. So fitment's great. You can't beat that. They look amazing. Now, honestly, we should just go throw tires on them real quick and get on the ground so you can really see it. And Josh has to leave, so let's go put some tires on it.
Right now.
Sunday night, I don't own a tire machine. Luckily, Josh is a manager at Town Fair. My friends, kick ass. VIP access, boys. After hours with Josh Bojangles. No.
Pop goes valve down.
Balanced out. Thank you, Josh. And now it's time to get back and throw them on the car. RJ, you ready for the new wheels, kid? Woo!
Yeah.
Thanks for the energy. Thank you.
Sorry,
I appreciate the energy.
I don't have any today.
No, because look at Travis. He's just a squid.
Custom fab parts.
Okay, I already know that some of you guys are like, when do you get a tire machine? I'm working on it. I need a lift first. That's a whole nother topic. We're trying down here. Don't worry. All right. Let's get these things on the car. Now, I can guarantee you I'm gonna have to lower my coilovers or something, or raise them, who knows, but let's bolt them on, drop them down, and see how they look. There you go, man.
You okay, RJ? You hurt yourself?
Maybe. What do you think?
They're wet. I'm gonna say right off the bat, I don't care what anybody else has to say, the other wheels you had in there were the ugliest things I've ever seen.
You're so annoying. Go away. Why do I even ask this kid anything? What do you think, Mike? What do you think of the Consays?
They're awesome. What do you mean? They're hot.
And then there's one thing that I didn't notice before, but they actually have darkened barrels, which is nice. Why is it nice, RJ?
See, I didn't hear the first part. Can you
Okay,
repeat
because
that?
you get brake dust on your wheels and it looks stank, and so this hides it. You gotta love that. Dude, those look so good. Perfect stock body fitment, guys. Check it out.
Oh, he got them fangs.
Boy, that's it. Game over.
Oh, that's a satisfying
Was
sound.
that ASMR?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Oof.
Just smack her in, baby.
Bong!
Oh.
Kansei. Ooh! Mmm! That's too awesome, dude. Well, it looks amazing on Jackson, so I guess it's time for what?
Drop her down.
Drop her low.
Let's use some of this YouTube magic.
Nothing happened.
No, yeah, try again. One more time. And go. Damn! This looks so good. I see this. Do you see this? Mm. You good there? You need a towel?
I think so.
Oh, dude, I love this so much. I knew this thing needed some one-piece wheels, some Kanseis, baby.
This is what. Now paint it! This is what actual salt looks like, guys.
He's so upset. He loves it. Mm-hmm, that's right. Oh, it looks so good. I love this so much. Okay. Now, this is the style I was going for in this car. You know, I had them in Nervous. They looked good. They're hot, but...
These are hotter.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You did good, kids. You did good. Just makes me want a hot boy pose next to this really bad.
For once, I like your videos.
Do it.
Give it a go.
You got this, right?
Just feel it. Ready? Ready? That just feels good. There it is.
My knee just popped so hard.
Oh, I love it so much. Oh, Kansei. Thank you, guys. You kick ass. All right, so we had some spontaneous visitors show up that were pretty cool. So it's been a few hours. We ended up taking RJ's car out for some donuts. And
Somebody, not gonna say any names, may have gone a little hard.
who could that be? But Brian just showed up. And I just wanted to get your opinion on the wheels because I've been staring at it for the last 3 hours, drooling. I love this.
I think that the colors go great with like the red. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying.
It definitely that and like it matches like the clean lights and the clean windows. Obviously, nothing's actually clean, but you know what I mean.
Just, I love it. I love it so much. Now we just need to get a
$10,000 paint job.
Yeah, something like that. All right, so we got the wheels fitted. I am in love. I've said it a million times, but don't worry, we'll get back on this car. But for now, I have to go hard in the Sonda because we got a lot of work ahead of us, and I'm trying to get this done quickly because I don't want to drag on. So I was expecting some visitors, so it's a little late now, but I want to at least get something done on here so I can feel accomplished. So if you guys remember, we were converting to S13 suspension. We made frame rails that mimic an S13. These things right here. The reason why we made the frame rails basically mimic the same dimensions as the S13 frame rail is so we can finish bolting on all the S13 suspension components, mainly the front tension rod brackets. These things right here. I can't tell you how hard it was to find a clean set. Shout out to my boy Orion. Not that one. But here, I'm gonna make Mike film this. So with these bolt to the chassis, the tension rod bolts to here, that then bolts onto the low control arm, which stabilizes the front and back direction of your hub. And right here, the sway bar bolt to this, so we can actually run a stock sway bar in the car, which is pretty sick. We'll stock 240 sway bar. So this piece right here is going to take this and boom, bolt up just like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing we did with the subframe is obviously drill the holes for it after we measure everything 1.5 million times. And then we're gonna sleeve it with this rod so it gives some rigidity to the frame rails so we just don't tighten and compress the rails. Okay?
Yeah? Yeah?
Mr. Frame Tech, does that sound right?
Yeah, no. That's
So we, instead of just drilling holes and it taking like 20 minutes, now we have to cut all the sleeves, wall them in, flap. It's worth it. It's worth it. So before we can get to work, we have to make some room, so the front end has to come off. Oh! Yeah! Oh, Jesus. Woo! All right, so now we gotta. My eye. So now we gotta drill it thick enough to fit our new sleeve, and then weld it in.
That's sick. Who did it? Wouldn't it be nice if you had a vice?
You want some advice? You want some rice? You want me to be nice? What?
We need ice.
Oh, you said you have lice?
Yeah, your mom's real nice.
You want to play dice?
Hey, do we have any mice?
You want to pull a heist? I'm working here. All right, so now we got to flapper the welds away, not because they're ugly, but because the bolts need to sit flush on the frame rail.
Whatever you need to tell yourself in that, James. Whatever makes you feel better, buddy. Moment of truth and triumph.
Bang.
Whoop. Nice.
Cool. Awesome.
Solid.
Let's bolt these things up.
Woo.
Boom.
Whoa.
Not bad.
Wow.
Oh, look, the radiator. It's gonna go right there.
Wow, look at that symmetry.
All right, that's super. Oh, I love seeing that in there. That looks so cool. Yes. So we did half the bolts. There's two more bolts that go into the front that obviously bolt it to the lower radiator support. It's super. I wanted to do it, but it's super late, so we're gonna save that for later. But now you guys get an idea for how they sit in the car, and it looks super cool seeing it all together like that. So now all we need to fully bolt up a 240 suspension and everything to this car is to redo the strut towers, which we already have a plan for that, so I'm not worried about it. But this is pretty cool. I'm really excited. So today ended up being pretty awesome. We got the wheels on the cherry hatch. It looks amazing. Like I said 1.5 million times already, completely in love with this car again. And now I'm really looking forward to get this thing painted. And of course, had to get a few things done in the Sonda, even though it was a busy day. Tension rod brackets on, nice and easy, but it's exciting seeing this all together. Well, you know what I mean. I ordered basically all new stuff for the suspension up front because I really want this car to drive well. And so all that stuff should come in probably mid this week. And so hopefully we can have like the full S13 suspension bolt on the front. And that's gonna be a huge deal. Like seeing that all complete is pretty badass. So huge shout out to Kansei for making amazing wheels. So pumped on them. And of course, guys, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. What are you guys, cool guy on me? Someone do it.
Have a better night than me.